What's up, beauties? Lynsey Anastasia here, back at the WowAfrican office in Irvine, California. Today I'm going to bring you guys into the hair showroom and we'll pick out a unit to rock today. So let's get into the unboxing of this curly unit. Inside, the wig comes nicely packaged in this satin bag. This is great for carrying your wig around if you are traveling or anything like that and you need some storage for your unit. This is your go-to bag. You'll also receive 2 wig caps and a brochure that shows you all the carrying tips for your unit. So the wig looks like this. So here is our gorgeous curly unit that we're going to be rocking today. It is 18 inches. It's also a 360 lace wig, so you can see the lace around the full perimeter of the unit. It is 150% density, so it's a pretty good density, and the curls, as you can see, are not frizzy. As you can see from the hairline, we do have bleached knots all the way around, which is perfect for having the unit blend with your natural hair well. And the hair is absolutely incredibly soft. I've never felt a unit like this. Normally with the unit, I will add so much product in it trying to get it to feel like this, but it naturally feels like this right out of the box. So that is amazing. We've also got a middle part right here, but I will show you guys later on how you can part it separate ways, because with the bleached knots all the way around the front, it blends really well, whichever part you want to do. So let's get into the cap construction of this wig. As you can see inside, we do have a total of 3 combs. We've got 2 up here at the top and 1 back here in the bottom and the back. The wig also includes an elastic band, and this is perfect for those of you who may be in a rush or you're not too hip with gluing your wig down. The elastic band fits so snug onto your head that you don't even have to worry about gluing your unit down. The elastic band is adjustable depending on the size of your head, so you don't have to worry about it being too tight or too loose. You can adjust it to your liking.